two heavyweight contenders in legal tech face off: MyCase versus CosmoLex. Which one really delivers? On the left, MyCase, the all-in-one legal practice management solution. On the right, CosmoLex, built-in legal accounting and management for modern law firms. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, here's a quick mind map of how we're gonna compare these two: price, features, ease of use, user ratings, support, and accounting. Sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's all super relevant if you want your firm running smoothly. First up, price. So let's talk MyCase. Pricing here is pretty clear-cut, sitting at $39 per user each month if you're on the annual plan. I gotta say, no hidden fees, just straight-up flexible pricing. You want basic stuff? It's in the main plan. Oh, but if you need some of the fancy advanced features, yeah, you might have to bump up. Now CosmoLex is a little steeper. Their entry is $79 per user per month, and that's just their starting tier. If your team goes above 10 users, more pricing tiers kick in. The good part though, their single package has built-in accounting, literally all in one. Still, honestly, the price difference is hard to ignore. Winner here, it's gotta be MyCase. On to features. MyCase rolls out a full suite: intake forms, e-signatures, lead management, and solid reporting. You even get 24/7 support and huge self-serve resources. Not bad, right? The only thing you might notice, reporting isn't as wild as some top-tier competitors. With CosmoLex, their magic trick is the trust and office accounting baked right in. Plus, you get billing and doc management under one roof. Yeah, that's impressive. The catch? Stuff like client intake forms, SMS alerts, unlimited e-signatures, that's not standard, so double-check if you need those. And heads up, there's a learning curve because CosmoLex is kind of dense out the gate. But overall though, MyCase packs more of the must-haves for most firms, so that's another point for MyCase. Now, ease of use. So MyCase is honestly super clean and intuitive. Even folks who aren't tech wizards say onboarding's a breeze. Only thing I'd flag, the integrations are a bit limited compared to competitors. On the flip side, CosmoLex, once everything's set up, it's also easy enough, and hey, they'll help you migrate your data in bulk. The slight issue? The interface is pretty busy, like it could leave a new user staring at their screen thinking, wait, where do I click first? MyCase takes this round because simplicity wins every time. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know MyCase serves over 18,000 law firms across the US? Meanwhile, CosmoLex is literally one of the pioneers in built-in legal accounting. So whichever way you go, you're in good company. Let's talk user ratings. MyCase, Capterra's #1 rated for law practice management. Customers are loyal, the reviews are glowing, and people keep mentioning how they love the experience. Sure, some wish there were even more integrations, and fair enough, right? Now with CosmoLex, they absolutely crush it in trust accounting and got user favorite in awards. But law practice management overall, they're parked at 7 on Capterra, and folks do wish for better customization. So user love, it's mostly MyCase. Support, this is a fun one actually. MyCase goes pretty all out: US-based support by phone, chat, and email, plus live training sessions. And if you don't want to talk to anyone, the 24/7 online knowledge center is stacked. CosmoLex also delivers on email, chat, and phone, so it's decent coverage. But their self-serve resources, not quite as robust as MyCase. If you want to feel taken care of, honestly, MyCase edges ahead again. Last but definitely not least, accounting. This is where CosmoLex struts in. MyCase covers expense tracking and billing, but if you want full-on general accounting, you'll need an integration like with QuickBooks. CosmoLex, though, it's all built-in: trust and business accounting, compliance handling, the whole shebang, no third-party stuff required. The catch? Smaller firms might find that accounting power a bit overwhelming. Still, if built-in accounting's your thing, CosmoLex finally snags a clear win. If you like seeing things visually, just check out this radar chart with all 6 categories. It shows clearly where each product crushes it and where there's room for improvement. So what does all this add up to? MyCase, it's honestly perfect for solo lawyers or mid-size firms who want painless practice management and top-notch support with nice pricing that won't bite. CosmoLex, though, is your best bet if accounting and compliance matter most, especially for bigger teams with gnarly trust accounting needs. Still stuck? No worries, just ask for a personalized comparison based on your firm's needs.